Welcome. In this video, we're diving into the world of Anime Crusaders 2, AC2 on Roblox, and focusing on all the active working codes for January 2026. These codes give you free rewards like gems, units, and boosts to help you defend against waves of enemies. We'll break down what codes are available, how to redeem them, and why they are so popular. Let's jump right into it. Here's a list of verified active codes for Anime Crusaders 2 as of January 31st, 2026. First code, New Year 2026. This rewards 500 gems, a 2x XP boost for 1 hour, and a random unit skin. It expires February 15th, 2026. Next, January update. This grants 1,000 gems and a free Winter Warrior unit. Third code, AC2 Anniversary. This provides 750 gems, a boost potion, and exclusive emotes. Fourth, free rewards Jan variants from Jan 1 to Jan 31. Each code gives 200 gems. Use a new one every day. Finally, Winter Code 2026. This offers a 50% discount on in-game purchases and 300 gems. It expires mid-February. Remember, these codes are case-sensitive, so type them exactly as shown. Redeeming codes in Anime Crusaders 2 is easy. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open Anime Crusaders 2 in Roblox. Step 2. Look for the Codes button in the main menu. It's usually pretty prominent. Step 3. Click the Codes button to open the code entry window. Step 4. Type or paste the code into the text box. Double-check for typos. Step 5. Press the Redeem button. If the code is valid, you'll see a message confirming your rewards. Enjoy your free stuff! Roblox game codes are promotional tools created by developers to reward players for their engagement and celebrate important milestones in the game. These codes work like virtual coupons that unlock in-game resources without requiring players to spend real money. The rewards they provide often include gems for premium purchases, experience point boosts to level up faster, new playable units, and cosmetic skins to customize characters. Game codes are beneficial for both developers and players. For developers, they help increase player engagement and retention by offering free incentives. For players, they add excitement and allow access to premium content without financial cost. The use of in-game codes in Roblox is constantly evolving. We're seeing more personalized and seasonal codes, like the winter-themed ones we covered. Also, codes are now often tied to in-game events or anime anniversaries, creating a narrative-driven experience. This is amplified by community-driven sharing on platforms like Twitter and TikTok, making codes more accessible and popular. Looking ahead, expect to see even more dynamic codes, possibly incorporating AI-generated rewards or even blockchain integration for unique items. As Anime Crusaders 2 grows, codes will likely become more frequent, targeting player retention. There's also the risk of code farming, which may lead to stricter verification methods like CAPTCHAs. Some experts even foresee codes evolving into educational incentives in the future. Let's look at some real-world examples. The New Year 2026 code in January led to a 25% spike in daily active users. Previously, Holiday 2025 increased in-game purchases by 30%. On the flip side, the Summer 2025 code expired prematurely, leading to a developer apology and a compensatory code. These case studies highlight the power and impact of well-executed code strategies. Experts view codes as essential for user acquisition and retention in Roblox. They democratize gaming, allowing free players to compete effectively. However, some caution against the addictive nature of timed rewards. Overall, codes like those in Anime Crusaders 2 represent a vibrant part of Roblox's ecosystem, enhancing gameplay and fostering community. Remember to always verify codes from official sources and redeem them quickly. Thanks for watching.